Alright. So, first of all, I want to get into the reason why this interstate inside a city is jet black like this. Now, this is pretty common when you're out in the middle of nowhere on a highway. You know, when you're driving through an area that's unincorporated or a rural area, it's pretty common, but not so much when you're in a city or a city that's somewhat major. You know, most cities are lit up pretty good on the highway, on the interstate. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is, in this traffic footage here that they have of Carlee Russell, the young lady that went missing last night, it's showing her car on the shoulder of the freeway of this interstate here with the flashes going, and of course we don't see anything else because it's so dark, but it still would seem like that we would still be able to see some images of somebody walking on the freeway. We don't see anything. We didn't see anything or anybody else pull up behind Carlee Russell. You know, as you see, traffic is just driving by. So I'm wondering what really happened. You know, when did she actually disappear? You know, given the fact that we're not seeing any other vehicles pull up. I mean, it shows her riding along the shoulder with her four-way flashes on for a pretty good while before stopping, and it's hard to tell if anyone got out of the car or where the toddler is. We don't even see a toddler. Of course, we won't see the toddler because he or she would be much smaller. But yeah. So they're saying Carlee Russell was last seen wearing all black with white tennis shoes. It's 5'4", 5 feet 4 inches tall. And they're now giving a $50,000 reward for anyone that has any information that leads to her being found. And that little toddler needs to be found too, actually. You know, where is the toddler? Because they're saying that when the police got there, her car was there and her phone was in the car, but no sign of Carlee Russell or that toddler. So actually, it's her and a toddler that is missing. And it's just a sad situation all the way around. You know, you got a toddler walking on the shoulder of an interstate in the darkness, in the jet darkness. That's just wild within itself. But to see right here that there's no sign of any other vehicles pulling up or any body walking up, it's just crazy, because they're saying that she was on the phone with her boyfriend's sister, I think. And she said that she was on the phone to assist this toddler walking alongside the freeway. And the next thing you know, she heard a loud scream and didn't hear anything else from her She didn't hear anything else from Carlee Russell. The only thing she heard was traffic driving by. So it's just a wild, crazy story. It sounds like something straight out of a horror movie to me. And I hope they find the culprit, find what actually happened pretty soon, because I think we're working on 48 hours. So something needs to come to surface pretty soon. All right. So that's that on that. All right. Peace.